Now that we have finished reading Frindle, we're going to go through this page, which is the whole book questions. So these are all multiple choice, and they're the first page is all multiple choice, and then the second one will be true and false that we will do. So this first page, it says, which word does not describe Nick Allen? Is it A, clever, B, smart, C, inventive, or D, mean? Which one does not describe Nicholas Allen? If you said D, you are correct. He is not trying to be mean when he's doing all his mischievous stuff. He's just very clever, smart, and inventive. Mrs. Granger taught what class? Did she teach social studies, language arts, science, or mathematics? She taught language arts. B, language arts. What kind of question was Nick known for asking? Do you remember this one? Was it the A, unstoppable question, B, the end of class question, the C, time waster question, or D, a show-stopping question? Almost any one of those would describe something about the question that he asked. But the one that what it was known as, what they called it, was the C, time waster question. Because it was not, remember, unstoppable. Mrs. Granger ended up being able to put an end to it. But he did ask it at the end of class, and it kind of was a show-stopping question in that the idea was for it to get rid of the homework assignment, but it was the time waster question was what it was known as. What did the 5th grade class say when their class picture was taken? I don't even have to give you these options. You know it already. Was it A, Frindle, B, Lone Granger, C, Cheese, or D, Nick? And it was A, Frindle. And the last one on this page, if students used the word Frindle, what was their punishment? Was it expulsion from school? B, forced to use pencils? Well, that's a creative one. C, lunch with Mrs. Granger? Or D, stay after school? And it was D, stay after school. So the answers for this are D, number 1 is D, number 2 is B, number 3, C, number 4, A, and number 5 is D. So there are all the answers for that page. And we are going to go right ahead and do the next page, which is true or false. So number 1, and it looks like, actually this says number 6. So I guess this is the second part of that page. But you can just write T or F for true or false. Number 6, Bud Lawrence started manufacturing Frindles. That is T, true. Number 7, Nick's dad kept the money he received from Frindles. And that is false, so you can write an F. Mrs. Granger thought Nick ruined the English language with his word. Is that how the book ended? No, that's false. She was actually rooting for him, remember? Nick received Mrs. Granger's letter at the end of 5th grade. That one is also false. Remember, he was 21 when he finally received it. And number 10, a scholarship fund was set up in Lorelei Granger's name that had an initial donation of $1 million. And that is true. T for true. So good job with your comprehension questions. I hope you enjoyed reading that book. Like I said, it's one of my favorites.